Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Fal here, back in another video on channel. Today, boys, we are playing. Wait, no. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Mr. Restricted here, back with another video on this channel. Today, boys, we are playing some more Plus Ultra 2, and like I said in the last video, boys, last video I told you guys that I will be uploading a video soon on the lightning quirk that I will be creating. So let's just get right on to it. So this is going to be an electric quirk, so I'm gonna make it like a plastic, no, a neon. Neon will be good, so I'm gonna make this a yellow type, a yellow one, like kind of like Kaminari's. So I'm not gonna put in a trill just yet. Effects, no. So I'm gonna put this on my arms for this. To be honest, no, I'm gonna put it on my legs this time. Let's make a leg quirk. Leg. Yeah, and then I can also put it on my torso. Yeah, that's good. So now I think I think yeah, 15 would be good. Yeah, 15 is the good quirk. But wait, no, this. So I'm gonna make the quirk real quick and then I'll be back with you guys. Alright guys, so I've decided that I'm going to make it on my arms and not on my legs, because on my arms it actually spreads more down and up too, basically in the middle, so I decided to make it like on my arms. So yeah, anyways, let's just add in the trail real quick. Anyways, the sound is not right. Yeah, I think number 10 is good. Now, Blue Lightning. Blue Lightning sounds like a good name. Yeah. So, anyways, yeah, this is gonna be our Blue Lightning quirk. So, let's head over and make some new moves for this thing. So, I'm going to equip my current moves right here. The current moves that I had. So now we're gonna create some new abilities for these quirk. So the first thing, wait no, first things first, let me check how much money. Okay, we have enough money for this. Okay, first things first, let's head over to some testing grounds. Let's head over to Ground Omega real quick. So I'll be back with you once I'm at Ground Omega. Alright guys, I am now at Ground Omega. So we're gonna be testing our moves right here. So let's just see. Let's just activate our quirk. So this is how our quirk looks like. So let me just go in the shadows real quick. My shadows should look better like this. So yeah, let me just add in my stat points. Also, I'm level 100. So I'm doing this right after I did the video on the level 100 to the level 125 guide. So yeah, I'm going to be, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a lightning bolt. So I think it's going to be a laser, and then the transparency will have to be 0.9, I do believe. Let's see. No. 0.9 transparency. No, it's not working. It's not working. No. Which means we're gonna have to try stream. Stream is gonna be the best. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, the thing. So first is first. I think the size needs to be bigger. That's for sure. So let's have this like so. Now that will look a little better, and now what if I try a streak? Let's try a streak. Okay, I think streak will be the best option. So let's see. Yeah, this is the best that we're gonna have to do. So let's see, electric surge. I think electric surge will be good. Wait a sec, I think I have an idea. Electric surge, let's see. Yeah, that one looks good. Okay, electric surge, alright. We have ourselves electric surge. Okay, now let's head over and create ourselves like electric now I'm going to head over and create ourselves an area of effects. Let's see, this should look pretty nice. No. Amount 3. So then we're going to make it balls. Yep. Body surge. static charge. Yeah, static charge. Yeah, that looks good. We can put this here. And then we're gonna make 2 more moves, guys. So yeah, let's see. Let's make an emerge this time. Size 10, amounts 9. Let's see. Now what does this look? No. This. No, this one doesn't look good. This is kind of like an alien effect. I think I know. Yep, okay, this is good. But this time we're gonna need something else. Yep, that one's good. Alright, this one looks good. Alright, so this one will be static emergence. Static. No, I know, static ground. Static ground. Okay, static ground looks good. And then one more. This time I'm going to make it a range, which means this is going to be like a thunderbolt. The size is going to be 10. And then speed, let's make that 110. Transparency, good. And we can make the amount 5. Okay, yeah, that looks good. If I make this a ball, make it not so transparent. The animation is not good for this. Yeah, now that looks better. So yeah, I think this will be the second one. Yeah, this will be the last one. Static ball. Alright, so let's head over and try and use this thing. Some stuff. It doesn't run that fast, to be honest. Don't ask me why. It doesn't really run fast. The trail looks pretty good. There's electricity following us around. So let's do this on the level 0 quest. Let's try this, alright guys? Let us try this. Alright, so what will this look like? I wonder. Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is static ball. Okay. Use that on them. Now we can use static charge. Come on, static charge. Gosh, damn it. Static charge. God, it's not working. If I didn't use it, okay. Okay, let's try static charge once again. Static charge. There we go, now it worked. Oh god, there's a demon. Okay, do this. And then we can, what should we try? Let's try static ground. Oof, dang it. Alright, let's try this, dude. Static surge. Okay, electric surge, right. Yeah, this quirk's it's actually not half bad. It's pretty good. Yeah, this quirk is actually pretty good, guys. I mean, even though I didn't really use my costume there, now we're gonna try with the costume. Now it's gonna look, it's gonna become a little deadly. It was pretty good. Let's try this again. So I'm gonna do one more quest, and then we're gonna go try this with Bakugo. The reason I'm not doing it with Uraraka because Uraraka is currently pretty. She's a little strong for me right now, and it's gonna take a while. And I'm gonna fail the mission pretty badly. So yeah, that. Hey, no. Shoot. Oh no. Okay, take this. No, they're just a smash. Damn, they're wrecking me. Damn, boys. We get wrecked. We gotta run, boys. We gotta charge up. Okay, this dude's dead. That dude is dead. Oh god, no. I'm actually liking this quirk. Alright, your boy needs to heal up. Alright, your boy's gonna use stat charge. And then let's try static ground. We haven't used static ground yet. That's pretty good. Considering this suit does boost up my quirk a lot, this is pretty good. Even though I almost got wrecked because I don't have essence, so yeah. Anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please do leave a like and subscribe if you did. So yeah, I'm almost dead, and yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do leave a like and subscribe if you did enjoy. So yeah, goodbye, guys.